So after
Okay.
completing the while loop and functions in Python.
Okay.
So first about while
Okay.
condition, and then it contains statements. This is the syntax for while. Okay.
Okay. While condition and statement.
Yeah. Like writing a small example, considering an input is n equal to 10. So while n less than 10, so print of n. So first considering n equal to 1. So and then incrementing the 10 equal to n plus 1. So it prints 1 to 9 up to.
So n equal to 1 while n is less than 10, then print n, which is
Yeah,
n
wait,
is
I will.
incrementing.
Yes, I will show you another, like comparing with both for loop and while loop.
Mhm.
So for I in range of n, then we can start print of I. So considering starts from 1. So here you can check.
Okay. So you have given in the while statement, you have given a statement, and the statement is n should be less than 10. So
Yeah.
if the uh, n equal to 1, which is statement satisfied, n is less than 10, so it will print the n, and after that you have given another statement like n should increase by 1
Yes.
in the
So
while statement.
firstly, you know about like for loop. So here every time
Yeah,
it iterates.
okay.
So first it considers starts from 1 and then it iterate to 1 plus 1, then next 2 and then 3 and then 4 and then
Yeah,
5
because
and
you
then up
already given
to
the
10.
range.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we are given the range between 1 to 10. In
1
while
to
we are
10.
given n is equal to 1. It starts from 1. So we are checking the while condition. So if while less than 10, so we need to print n. So
Ah,
first it
that's what I'm
considers,
telling. Well,
yeah,
yeah, first statement is
first it checks the condition like 1 less than 10. So it's true and it goes to like within the while statement. So print n. So it prints n, like print
n.
of 1.
Now is
Yeah,
1. So now,
so
now
n
n
is
becomes,
1. Now n
yeah,
becomes 2. So now n
yes.
becomes 2 and it checks 2 less than 10 and then print to
Then
2
again
and
print
then
n.
it goes to n equal to n plus 1 means n is 3. So n goes to up to like 8 plus 1 is n equal to 9. So it goes to n equal to 9 and like okay, n equal to 10 you can consider. So 10 less than 10 like it doesn't satisfy. So it returns and it while loop is terminated. Okay. This is about
Mhm.
like while statement. Hmm. And then consider about while else. You know about while else statement?
While else. No, I don't
Yeah.
know.
So while condition contains of statement. So else need to write a statement. So this is
So
about.
while
So
condition statement, else and statement. Okay.
if while condition is terminated, like it doesn't satisfy, it goes to else statement. Considering example like if n equal to 10, okay.
Mm.
So we're given while, so n must be greater than 10, okay. So if condition satisfy, we need to print n value, else so print 1 or etc. Like we need to just print 1. So it prints 1, right? So first we are giving n is an input as 10. So it checks while statement. So it can while condition is n greater than 10. So 10 is 10 greater than 10. It means it doesn't satisfy. So while loop is terminated. So it goes to else part. So in else part it contains like print of 1, so it returns 1.
Uh, Pavan, can you
Yeah,
increase the screen size? Because
okay.
yeah,
Is
okay,
it
now
okay?
it's okay. Nah, yeah, it's
Yeah.
okay.
So first considering input n equal to 10. So it conditions like if condition is n greater than 10. So 10 greater than 10 it doesn't satisfy. So while loop terminates, it goes to else part. So it prints in the else statement. Is it okay?
Okay, okay,
This is about while and while else statements. So let's go to the functions. So
okay,
functions means it contains a block of code.
hmm.
So first we need to creating a function when using def keyword.
Okay. Def means
Like it's a keyword like in define.
define. Okay,
Yeah, define. It is used to define the function. So def is the keyword is used to call like defining the function of like passing the parameters or etc. And then it contains of a block of code, and then we need to return like value what we need. So
hmm.
in outside we are calling the function. So this is about like function declaration.
Okay. Function declaration. So first we have to declare the function,
Yeah,
and then
declare
a block of
here
code means
like we need
what is it?
whatever we write. We need to write whatever we need. So by using like we're creating the object and also you can call the function object equal to function of hello.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So we are directly calling a function and then we're creating an object for use it to call the function like object equal to function of.
So
Okay.
explain from first. So we are defining the function first.
Yes. Yeah,
Like
we are defining the function by using def keyword.
yes.
It's
So
about
like
like function
defining like example, what we are defining.
okay. So writing a code about defining okay the given number is even or odd etc. Like we write anything. Okay.
Okay.
So we need to check even or odd. We can write of n means n is the input. Okay.
Hmm.
So if n percentage to equal to 0,
This is a block of code.
yeah,
Okay.
else print of odd. So okay, we need like we
Else
need
a
to
spelling
return.
mistake.
Yeah, okay, we need to return or I can use print function also. I can I can tell you what's the difference between those returning and also functions like print function. S- mm, So if n percentage to equal 0, it return even number. So else we are returning odd. Okay.
Okay.
So we're like print of
So
even
n
or
percentage of two equal to zero. That is a block of code,
yeah, it's a block of code.
and
So
after
we
that
can
it is
write
written.
so we can write any conditions, also use loops. whatever we need. So it's like
That is
writing a
that is called
block of
block of
code.
code.
Yeah. So
Okay.
given n equal to int of input of.
Okay. So we
Right.
are now taking any input.
Yes. So input is considering the file.
So now,
Wait.
like n equal to int of input of that is a function calling.
Okay. What happened? Name. Okay. Odd is not written right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Is it okay?
So which is the calling function?
So this is a calling function, even or odd of n. So we're calling the function here. So first considering an input, n equal to int of input of, we're given an input, and then here in function we're calling the function. So even or odd of n. Wait, I can show you like in simple way. So for creating an object, like object equal to, this is about function calling. Okay.
Object is also function calling.
So we are assigning like we're just creating an object. So by
Okay.
using object we can call the function,
Okay. Okay.
and then we
So
are
we can
printing the object.
okay. So we can call the function by using object.
So by using call, like okay, we can call the function by using object, or directly we can print. So print is also a built-in method, so you can directly call in the print function also. Okay.
Okay.
So we are creating a here on an object, and we are printing that object. So if it goes, so it runs, and then 4 prints even.
Okay. Now I understand.
Okay, wait, I can show another thing. So control plus V. So you can use like replace written as print.
Here also written as print. Okay.
Okay, and then call run. So then print. So it shows none here.
Why none?
So because here we're
Oh,
printing,
because the first else statement has printed, but if statement even is given as none.
no. So we are printing here. We are here also we printing, and here also we printing. So we're calling
Okay.
the non object. So okay, wait, I can show another one. So here control plus V. But just so without using print function, so and then running this. So it 5. So it doesn't print none.
Okay.
So in outside the function we can directly call. We use like in function we use print for print. So in outside we use print function, and inside the function we use to return.
Okay.
So
So what
here we are
outside the
directly
function?
calling. So this is the outside the function.
Okay. So
This
outside the
is all
function, what you
about.
told?
So we are
Outside.
directly calling the function name.
Okay.
So it
Outside.
goes to
Okay.
here, and then checking the condition, and then it directly print of even. Okay. In
Hmm.
this here, okay. So here we have written the value. So even is we are returning, and else we are written odd. So here we're directly calling like calling with the outside function. So we are printing that value.
Hmm.
So in outside we are printing. So that's why we return the value.
Okay.
We use both, and like inside the function and outside the function it shows the none object is callable.
Mhm.
So this is about functions.